Finance is the fundamental study and management of money, investments, and assets. Traditionally, this meant keeping track of physical value. In 2026, finance has transformed into a high-speed, digital-first ecosystem. It is no longer just about tracking cash, but about the efficient, real-time allocation of resources through global digital infrastructure. This evolution drives instant value creation, allowing capital to move with unprecedented velocity across a connected world. All financial decisions involve balancing risk and return. This fundamental trade-off is the cornerstone of modern finance. Investors generally demand higher potential returns as compensation for taking on greater uncertainty. Low-risk assets like government bonds offer stable but lower returns. Conversely, high-risk assets, such as startups or volatile markets, require the promise of higher returns to attract investors. This positive relationship between risk and reward ensures that the capital market remains balanced and efficient. Capital markets serve as the essential platforms that connect those with excess capital to those who need it for expansion. Savers provide the necessary funds, entering the capital market to find opportunities for their capital to work. In return, businesses and governments receive the funding required to fuel innovation and infrastructure, issuing securities back to the market. This constant cycle facilitates growth, allowing capital to flow efficiently across the global economy. Financial intermediation is the engine of the economy. It bridges the gap between those who have excess capital and those who need it to innovate. Institutions like banks and decentralized protocols act as intermediaries. They simplify the complex matching process. By pooling resources, they ensure liquidity, manage risk, and facilitate transactions efficiently. This orchestration keeps capital flowing, allowing businesses to grow and ideas to flourish in a stable ecosystem. The tokenization of assets is fundamentally changing how we invest. Real-world assets like commercial real estate and private credit are now converted into digital tokens on a blockchain. This process allows for fractional ownership, meaning anyone can own a tiny share of a large building or loan. These assets are now liquid and tradable 24/7. Settlement is now instant and automated. Smart contracts handle the transfer of ownership, removing the need for manual paperwork or clearinghouses. Finance is no longer a physical destination like a bank branch. It has evolved into an invisible layer woven directly into the software we use every day. In the modern ecosystem, financial services like credit and insurance are embedded directly into your shopping apps or even hardware. When you click purchase, AI agents verify your credit and approve financing in milliseconds, entirely behind the scenes. Banking is shifting away from generic mass-market products. Today, AI creates a unique financial model for every individual. An AI agent processes real-time data including inflation, your personal spending, and market volatility to adjust your financial model daily. These models are not static. They evolve constantly to reflect the changing reality of your financial life. ESG has evolved into a more precise framework called transition finance. Companies are now evaluated on their concrete contributions to decarbonization. Climate risk is no longer a footnote. It is a mandatory quantifiable line item on every corporate balance sheet, directly impacting valuation. Financial institutions now redirect capital toward companies that demonstrate verifiable decarbonization progress, creating a feedback loop for global sustainability. Historically, cross-border payments relied on fragmented legacy systems like SWIFT, often taking 3 to 5 days to settle. This creates significant delays and high costs. The Global Ledger Initiative, a collaborative effort by major central banks, standardizes these settlements on a unified, interoperable ledger. By moving to synthetic assets on this unified infrastructure, settlements now occur in mere seconds. This technological leap has successfully reduced global transaction costs by nearly 70%, ushering in a new era of financial efficiency. Credit access is being transformed by artificial intelligence. By looking beyond traditional credit scores, AI systems are expanding financial opportunities. Traditional methods relied on narrow historical records. Today, AI models evaluate thousands of behavioral patterns, such as utility payments and social impact metrics. This approach has unlocked capital for the previously unbanked, resulting in a 15% increase in global financial inclusion since 2023. AI agents analyze these inputs in real time to determine creditworthiness. This automation allows for fair, data-driven decisions that were once impossible. By optimizing the underwriting process, financial systems become more inclusive and efficient. We have entered the era of financial velocity. In this new landscape, the speed of capital movement has increased exponentially. Traditional systems that once took days to settle are now being replaced by instantaneous global ledgers, allowing value to cross borders in seconds. However, this speed brings a new challenge. Success no longer depends on manual data processing. Today, true professional success depends on managing information volatility. The market moves faster than humans can react, making strategic foresight the most valuable asset. In this high-velocity environment, understanding the patterns behind the noise is the ultimate edge. In 2026, the financial landscape has shifted dramatically. Nearly 40% of traditional analyst tasks like data entry and routine reporting are now fully automated. As repetitive tasks vanish, the role of the financial professional has pivoted. They now serve as high-level strategists, providing critical ethical oversight for AI algorithms and managing complex risks that machines cannot fully interpret. In this new era, data processing belongs to the machine, while strategy and ethical stewardship remain the human professional's greatest advantage. High-speed automation brings unmatched efficiency, but it introduces significant systemic risks. Algorithmic flash crashes occur when autonomous trading agents trigger rapid, self-reinforcing sell-offs, causing near-instantaneous price collapses. Market stability now depends on robust circuit breakers. These automated safeguards instantly pause trading the moment volatility exceeds safe thresholds. Additionally, strict AI governance protocols enforce operating guardrails, ensuring that autonomous systems remain within stable, predictable boundaries. In the decentralized finance landscape of 2026, protecting your digital identity is the most critical pillar of your financial security. Traditional passwords have been replaced. Your digital identity is now a self-sovereign entity anchored directly on the blockchain. Through decentralized verification, your data is never shared directly, only confirmed as authentic, preventing unauthorized access. This cryptographic security acts as a shield, ensuring that your digital assets remain protected against the rising tide of sophisticated financial fraud. Secure digital identity is the foundation of trust in a high-speed, automated financial world. Traditionally, asset valuation relied heavily on discounted cash flow analysis and historical performance data. While reliable, these methods often lagged behind the pace of the modern market. Today, we synthesize traditional models with real-time AI. The valuation engine constantly processes inputs like global sentiment, on-chain transaction volumes, and IoT supply chain metrics. This hybrid approach provides an accurate, second-by-second picture of an asset's current health, far surpassing the limitations of legacy static reporting. As finance integrates with AI and blockchain, digital literacy has become the most important financial skill. Individuals must now navigate complex DeFi protocols, monitor AI-managed investment strategies, and interpret real-time data from personalized dashboards. By mastering these digital tools, an individual transitions from a passive participant to an active architect of their own financial success. In the past, finance was a physical, slow process defined by counting coins and managing ledgers by hand. Today, modern finance has fundamentally shifted. It is no longer about the physical possession of assets, but about the real-time optimization of data. Success now depends on using data-driven insights to manage wealth and corporate capital in a high-speed, global environment. Historically, global liquidity was trapped in separate silos. Moving assets between different financial systems was slow and fragmented. often taking days to clear. In 2026, we see the rise of Layer 2 blockchain settlement layers. These technologies act as high-speed bridges, unifying disparate financial networks into a single, cohesive infrastructure. This enables the instant transfer of value. Instead of waiting for legacy clearinghouses, capital flows seamlessly across borders in seconds, creating a far more fluid global market. As liquidity becomes untrapped, global markets transition from static silos to a highly efficient, interconnected ecosystem. This is the new architecture of global finance. In 2026, financial success is defined by how effectively you leverage AI tools to manage risk and allocate resources in real time. The future of finance isn't just about assets, it's about the ability to transform data into strategic action.